Hello and welcome to another update video about IMX. IMX is a chart that has so far only rallied in 3 waves of the September lows. Yeah, so we have on this chart a potential 1-2 setup. We talked about that. We had here in this wave 2, which bottomed likely in September. We had, let me just double check, quite a deep wave 2. Yeah, which briefly broke below the 78.6 retrace. It's always worth to remind people of that because it indicates typically some more caution. However, it was also possible to count the wave 1 here, I think. And that gives us an overshooting B wave, then the support comes down. So it's not the clearest 5-wave impulse because of the brief break below the 78.6 retrace, but it was not a sustained break. So typically such a break of support indicates weakness and it makes the next move up a little bit more questionable. Nevertheless, it's moving up quite aggressively. I still see it as in a wave 3. Okay, so it hasn't shown us 5 waves up. It's still in 3 waves only at the moment. Yeah, it's not the 4th wave hasn't shown yet, in my interpretation. So that means I'm still tracking support. I have adjusted support to the area between 89 cents and $1.27, which means in whatever it's doing now, it should not break below 89 cents. Well, it can, but then it would be the wide count, which assumes that it only rallied in an ABC structure, which is bearish, and could then result in new bear market lows actually, right? So again, as always, once we have 5 waves up, we have a much better prospect and outlook going forward for a much more aggressive rally, possibly into 2024, into these, well, not into 2024 possibly, but in 2024, because I don't think this pullback will be over this year if it shows. And then obviously all these additional waves to the upside can form and IMX could participate in a bull run. So basically once we have 5 waves complete, it could give us another 1-2 setup. That would be the 1-2 setup within this 3rd wave. And it could be a real breakout setup that could lead to quite an aggressive rally to the upside then once this 1-2 setup is complete. Quick explanation, once we have 5 waves up, that's typically the first confirmation that really the trend is up as per Elliott wave as well. On a relevant time frame. I mean, the shorter time frame trend has been up for a while, but obviously bull market scale, right? So we want to see 5 waves up, 3 waves down. That could be the next setup then. But there will be a short-term setup, not a short setup, but a short-term setup here once this wave 4 shows. But I haven't got any confirmation that it started yet. Minimally, if I go to the 4-hour chart, I'd like to see a break below that last significant swing low, which is at 164, to suggest that the pullback has started in wave 4. And then support I've already mentioned, but we don't want to prematurely assume a top is in because it can easily still extend. Yeah, I mean, the pattern looks complete. We've also reached the 300% extension, so IMX is pretty much overextended, and the next extension level would be at $2.50 in case it extends further, and then $2.79. So basically it's watching for a top, but not assuming one is in yet, because crypto rallies can extend. But sort of at the moment, I'm still only tracking 3 waves up so far. So it means being cautious about a potential top to form in this region, but not can't confirm it at this stage. So I would not be surprised if we go up one more step on the Fib ladder higher before a top forms. Yeah, that's my update about IMX. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.